Visa recently undertook an exhaustive examination of various blockchain networks with a particular emphasis on Solana and its integration with a USD coin or USDC. The comprehensive analysis conducted by Visa delved into a scalability of blockchains, paying close attention to technical innovations. Over the course of the past year, Visa has been closely monitoring blockchain scalability trends, with its own transaction capacity exceeding an impressive 65,000 transactions per second or TPS. Notably, Solana's TPS, while averaging around 400, exhibits a significant surge to over 2,000 during periods of peak demand. A standout feature of Solana, highlighted by Visa, is its unique ability to process multiple transactions simultaneously. This distinguishes Solana from other blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which employ sequential transaction processing methods. Examining transaction fees, Visa's findings underscore Solana's stability and cost-effectiveness in contrast to the gas-driven fee structures associated with Bitcoin and Ethereum. This report recognizes the challenge of potential network congestion, particularly during the release of non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Visa emphasizes critical nature of handling numerous payments concurrently, a task for which Solana's architecture is well-suited. Visa's comprehensive testing reveals striking disparities in confirmation times, with Bitcoin potentially taking up to 60 minutes. In contrast, Solana, alongside other notable blockchains like Avalanche and Flow, emerges as a front-runner due to its impressive speed. FireDancer, acknowledged for its potential and substantial performance enhancements, particularly caught Visa's attention during a live demo showcasing an impressive 600,000 TPS. Solana, with its distinction of having multiple independent validator clients, solidify its position as a robust contender in Visa's evaluation. Acknowledging potential biases, this underscores the paramount importance of technological success over specific blockchain preferences. Visa's meticulous testing endeavors to identify the blockchain that can effectively meet the demands of modern transaction needs. As part of this exploration, Visa is expanding its stablecoin settlement pilot to encompass transactions on Solana's network. The primary objective is to rigorously assess whether Solana can not only meet but potentially surpass the requirements of modern corporate treasury option. It's crucial to note, however, that success in this endeavor is not guaranteed, and rigorous testing will be the determining factor in establishing Solana's viability with the broader payment ecosystem. Now let's talk about PayPal. PayPal continues to make substantial strides in the realm of innovation, particularly with its groundbreaking on- and off-ramps for businesses. In a recent video clip, PayPal introduces a seamless solution that empowers customers to effortlessly engage in buying and selling crypto within wallets, NFT marketplaces, and decentralized applications or dApps. This integration with PayPal offers businesses a streamlined and efficient payment experience that is globally trusted, providing millions of PayPal customers with the stability to purchase crypto and using popular payment methods, and facilitating quick cash outs within minutes. An essential aspect of this initiative is PayPal's commitment to handling the intricacies of transactions with the aim of boosting authorization rates to benefit the businesses. The overarching objective of this innovation is to simplify the journey toward Web 3.0 with the involvement of PayPal. This breakthrough is viewed as a major opportunity for businesses across diverse sectors to embrace cryptocurrencies, potentially mitigating concerns surrounding the widespread adoption of crypto use cases. The launch of on- and off-ramps occurred in September 11th, enabling direct crypto purchases through PayPal for US customers. Initial integrations with MetaMask and Ledger have already been implemented, with a roadmap for additional integrations in the pipeline. Furthermore, PayPal has extended its support to crypto wallet users in the US, allowing for the seamless conversion of crypto in USD directly with these wallets. A noteworthy aspect of this development is the user's independence from traditional exchanges for these transactions. These transformative features spans across wallets, dApps, and NFT marketplaces, and it is currently operational on MetaMask. Given PayPal's prominent role in facilitating credit card and payments for businesses, its venture into the crypto space signifies a notable shift in the industry landscape. The official website underscored the potential for business to elevate their crypto operations, unlocking opportunities within the Web 3.0 domain. PayPal is poised to serve over 200 markets, leveraging its expansive network of 400 million active accounts worldwide. The forthcoming integration into business payments serve as a focal point in PayPal's strategic vision, indicating a comprehensive and expansive strategy within the crypto and blockchain space. The potential integration with PYUSD, PayPal's stablecoin, introduces an additional layer of intrigue to these developments. We encourage viewers' feedback on the potential impact of PYUSD and underscores the significance of PayPal's broader integration into business payments. In a parallel development, there is notable progress with MetaMask introducing the crypto-to-fiat cash-out feature. This feature allows users to directly withdraw funds to their PayPal accounts, subsequently facilitating transfer to their bank accounts. A key highlight is the bypassing of intermediary platforms like Coinbase, offering users a more direct and streamlined pathway to convert their crypto assets into traditional fiat currency. This advancement represents a significant leap forward in simplifying the conversion and withdrawal process, enhancing the overall user experience and potentially expanding the accessibility and usability of cryptocurrencies. Now, let's delve into the demonstration of Solana Pay, a creation by SwissStyle. In this presentation, we're introducing a virtual store where a purchase of $10 or more entitles you to a coupon. Additionally, each transaction seamlessly generates a receipt, both of which are issued in the form of compressed NFTs. Let's break down steps. Firstly, I'll place a $10 sticker into my virtual card. Following that, I'll generate QR code, which I'll then scan using my mobile wallet. Once the payment is confirmed, you'll observe the simultaneous creation of a receipt and coupon for transactions surpassing $10 in USDC or USD coin. While awaiting metadata to load, let's explore an older receipt showcasing details such as the date, purchase items, total amount, and a unique reference number. The coupon encompasses crucial information like the reference number, the original buyer, and the issuance date. Now envision a scenario where I want to purchase a $5 item. I'll create a QR code for this transaction, and the system will subsequently scan my wallet for the corresponding compressed NFT coupon. This triggers a 50% discount, allowing me to pay the remaining $2.50. The system confirms the transaction and notifies me that spending $7.50 or more next time will earn another coupon. Upon refreshing, the coupon status indicates that the token has been used, providing a clear illustration of the process. In essence, this provides a succinct overview of how Solana Pay operates. Recognizing the current juncture is imperative, especially with the realm of technological advancement, notably in the context of retail commerce. A discernible departure from traditional approaches is evident, where the unfolding of open development processes was not conventionally showcased in real time on platforms like Twitter, the web, or YouTube. However, a palpable shift is occurring in the contemporary landscape, driven significantly by the profound integration of social elements into blockchain technology. This integration extends beyond technological progress alone. It encompasses practical applications, the broader ecosystem, and the evolving cultural aspects surrounding blockchain. The intriguing aspect lies in companies now having the opportunities to glean valuable insights as events unfold in real time. This live and transparent development approach facilitates a profound understanding of how these technologies operate and far-reaching implications they bring. In essence, what unfolds before us transcends mere technological evolution. It represents a transformative moment that offers substantial opportunities for the retail sector. Companies now have the ability to proactively acquire knowledge, adapt swiftly, and leverage the potential of these innovations to reshape their operations and offerings in harmony with the evolving landscape. This real-time exposure to blockchain integration not only fosters growth but also sparks innovation, marking a pivotal and exciting phase for the retail industry. The sector is not just witnessing change, it actively participating in and driving a dynamic shift that holds great promise for the future.